Hi there! Welcome to our new video. In this video, I want to show you how you can create the perfect onboarding survey. Whether you are a pro or just starting out, we've got easy tips to make those first days super special for your employees. Okay, ready? Let's start. First, open your dashboard. In Formalo 3.0, you need to create an app and then click on creating a page. Here you can click on insert on the top right and click on adding blocks. In this video, I want to create a form from scratch, so let's click on New Form. Add title of the form on the top, and then by clicking on Upload a cover picture, you can add the picture that you need for your survey. Under the title of the form, you can add description. Let's add a new page by clicking on the plus new page, and then start adding the fields that we need. By creating the new page here, your form title and description will get divided from the questions and will appear separately at the beginning of your survey. In this survey, each question, either I have used score or CSAT, there will be a following up question, which is an open-ended question. If we want to see what they have chosen or what they have rated, we can use answer piping method. If you want to learn more about how you can use answer piping, you can click on the suggested video. Now I'm adding my follow-up question by adding a long text field and piping the answer. Let's continue by creating a new pages to keep questions separate from each other and adding our fields. In your dashboard, for adding a field that you need, you can either scroll or you can search it. To get detailed responses and discover unexpected insight, it's a good idea to include open-ended questions at the end of your survey. By clicking on this setting and going to the Design tab, you can choose your desired type form. Either it will be single items or multiple items. In this form, I've selected single item, as I have categorized my question into different pages. After you have added all questions and at the end of your form, in the new page, you can add a content field and add your last words there. And here is the final result. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget you can sign up at Formalo for free. If you have any question, please leave them in the comment section below, and don't forget to like this video. Until next time, happy formulating!